Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we delve into the world of wheels and engines. Today we're exploring a surprising trend. EV owners are shifting gears back to internal combustion engines. A recent survey by S&P Global revealed that almost half of EV owners are still buying gas-powered cars as their next vehicle. Are they having second thoughts about their electric vehicles? Are EVs truly the future of transportation? Let's dive into the 7 startling reasons why EV owners are considering a U-turn back to gas cars. Reason number 7. The reliability riddle of EVs. Many car owners made the switch to electric vehicles, EVs, lured by the promise of simplicity and reliability. Theoretically, with their straightforward powertrains, drivetrains, and reduced maintenance needs, no oil changes, less brake wear thanks to regenerative braking, EVs should be more reliable. However, reality paints a different picture. In actual use, EVs have proven to be far from reliable. A recent Consumer Reports survey revealed that EVs cause 80% more problems than their gas-powered counterparts, with battery performance and charging issues being the most common. Infotainment systems and software also frequently cause problems. A telling example comes from Edmunds, a respected automotive magazine. They purchased a brand new Chevy Blazer EV, and just 2 months and 2,000 miles later, the vehicle displayed 23 fault codes at a diagnostic check. The test trip from LA to San Diego was fraught with issues, including malfunctioning window switches, a melted infotainment display, and navigation problems, to name a few. Reason number 6. Home charging hurdles. Charging is a key factor driving nearly half of EV owners back to ICE cars. Ideally, home charging should be convenient and cost-effective, but the reality is different. The standard Level 1 charger is too slow for most EV owners, leading many to upgrade to a faster Level 2 unit. Despite improved performance, a J.D. Power study found that satisfaction levels have dipped compared to a few years ago. One reason is the rising cost of home charging. Electricity rates have been steadily increasing. Data from the Energy Information Administration shows that the average residential rate rose from 13.72 cents per kilowatt to 14.96 cents in 2022, a 10% increase. This trend continued in 2023, with an average rate of 16.21 cents per kilowatt hour in October 2023. Reason number 5. Public charging problems. For those without a garage, public chargers are the only option, but they come with their own set of challenges. The charging network, while adequate in urban areas, falls short in suburban regions, complicating long-distance travel. Charging times, despite improvements, are still inconvenient. Even the fastest public chargers can't fully recharge EVs in less than half an hour, a far cry from the refueling speed of gas-powered cars. Moreover, the cost of charging at public stations is high, sometimes matching the running costs of gas-powered vehicles. Reliability is another concern. Public chargers, much like EVs themselves, are prone to malfunctions. A J.D. Power report revealed that in the first quarter of last year alone, 20.8% of EV drivers experienced charging failures or equipment malfunctions. Unresponsive screens, payment system failures, charge initiation failures, network failures, or broken connectors are among the common issues faced by consumers at public chargers. Reason number 4. The high cost of repairs. High repair costs are driving EV owners back to gas-powered cars. Research from CCC Intelligent Solutions shows that post-crash repairs for EVs average around $6,600, a whopping 56% higher than the $4,215 average for traditional cars. Despite the theoretical lower maintenance of EVs, the long-term costs can be staggering. The reasons for these high costs are multifaceted. There's a scarcity of EV-specialized repair shops and trained technicians. EVs often use pricier materials like aluminum over steel. The lithium-ion batteries, which require special storage due to fire risks, and complex safety protocols, make repairs more intricate and time-consuming. Plus, many EV parts are welded in, necessitating replacement over repair. As EVs age, repair costs can spiral. For instance, A Tesla Model S owner in Quebec discovered corrosion on the battery casing. The dealer's solution? A complete casing replacement costing $25,500 plus tax. Who would shell out $25,000 to fix a decade-old car? Not many, we'd wager. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now, let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 3, the insurance implication. While EVs are often touted as cheaper to run than conventional cars, insurance costs tell a different story. Full coverage for a Tesla Model X costs over $4,000 a year, double the market average. More affordable EVs like the Tesla Model 3 and Chevrolet Bolt EV also have higher insurance costs compared to their gas-powered counterparts like the Audi A4 or Hyundai Ioniq Blue. These higher costs can be attributed to several factors: the higher price tag of EVs, the increased repair costs, especially for battery replacements, and the fire risk associated with lithium-ion batteries. This has led to insurance companies often declaring a total loss after a crash involving an EV, further driving up insurance costs. These factors contribute to the trend of EV owners considering a switch back to gas-powered vehicles. Reason number 2, the range worry. While EVs are making strides in autonomy, range anxiety persists. The charging network is still underdeveloped, and EVs lag behind ICE vehicles in terms of range. Most can't exceed 300 miles, and real-world performance often falls 13% short of manufacturer or EPA estimates. Furthermore, EV owners typically can't fully charge their batteries, with fast chargers maxing out around 80%. Battery performance is another issue, heavily influenced by external factors like cold weather, which significantly reduces performance. Batteries also tend to underperform under heavy use, such as hauling and towing. For instance, a test by AAA, with the F-150 Lightning hauling 1,400 pounds of sandbags, saw the truck's range drop from 278 miles to 210 miles, a substantial 24.5% decrease. Reason number 1, the price and depreciation dilemma. Finally, there's the matter of price. Despite the massive discounts we've been witnessing these days, EVs are still notably more expensive than gas-powered cars, with the average price paid of more than $53,000, 15% more compared to the average car purchase in 2023. At the same time, EVs tend to depreciate way faster than gas-powered cars. Most EVs lose around 50% of their value over 5 years, while the market average is around 39%. For comparison, hybrids lose 37.4% of their value over 5 years. On one side, we have a Tesla Model S with a 55% depreciation rate. On the other, we have a Porsche 911 losing just 9.3% over 5 years. With that in mind, it's no surprise that there are so many EV owners who changed their minds and went for internal combustion engines. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit to stay updated with the latest in the vehicle world. See you next time, gearheads.